Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. If ATM did not give you cash but money is deducted from your account, don't panic. This solution works for all banks. Just follow these steps carefully. Firstly, understand why it's happened. This problem can happen in any bank because ATM technical error, no cash inside machine, network issue, server delay. So, it's not your mistake. Now, let's talk about the refund time. In most of the cases, failed ATM transactions are automatically refunded within time of 5 working days, sometimes even faster. First rule, don't withdraw again immediately. Now, what to do? Just keep ATM safe, check bank SMS, open bank app, and verify transactions. Note transactions reference number. These steps work for all the banks. What if refund not received? After 5 working days, call your bank customer care, provide account number, ATM location, date and time, transaction reference number, and ask them to register a complaint. Now, an important point. If bank delays refund beyond allowed time, you can request compensation as per banking rules. Always keep complaint number safe. And this method works for all banks. Stay calm and follow the correct process. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.